Something magical happens once you press the enter button to submit your Sigma Aldrich Oligo order.
Magical. So it's magic.
Well, no. There's a few more steps than that. It's science, not magic. Your order comes into our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility.
So here's where the magic happens.
No, our scientists take the sequence request and build your oligos in a series of well-defined steps. We manufacture our own oligo phosphoramidite precursors, which then are used in the synthesis step.
Surely, here?
Nope. We purify the sample to specification, purity, and sequence verified by HPLC and mass spec. All manufacturing is under strict ISO guidelines with extensive quality documentation. Packed and delivered on schedule so you can run your experiments on time.
I just got an email from shipping saying my oligo order is here already. Thanks, Millipore Sigma.
So where's the magic?
You missed it? Well, you'll have to watch the video again.